and welcome to another episode of Ox Valley Home Projects. Today I will talk about the next Game & Watch game I created. This time it's Turtle Bridge.
Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. Come back.
This is Octopus, the original game from Game & Watch. And this is my copy from 1983. And this is the version I did in 2020. And this is Parachute, the original game from Game & Watch. And this is my version from 1983. And this is the version I made in 2020.
After doing Octopus and Parachute, now it's time for Turtle Bridge.
This is the original game Turtle Bridge from Game & Watch. And this is the version I made in 1983. In the first two games there were only VIC-20 versions, but now I made my first C64 version. So now this is the next challenge. Here are all the characters that is contained in a game. The trick back then was to never have two characters overlap. I don't have that limitation now, but I try to make it look as the old version. So I start by adding some sprites and then a lot of characters, and then I will redefine each character to look like something else. After a while it looks like this, and I can test jumping and moving the package from left to right. There is also a few bugs that I recorded. Here is the flying bug. I had to fix that. And then there was the double sack bug. Where he is delivering 2 packages in a row somehow. And as you could see, it was also the third bug, the flying sack. The sack just hangs in the air. But when all that was fixed, my C64 version is ready. There is also a C version, including a bird that I added myself that is not in the original game. Yes, and I also made a VIC-20 version.
This is the VIC-20 version. It has a special bird, hard to overjump.
This version has a few bugs, but I'm delivering it as is in the zip you can download. Look in the description. I will include all the games you looked at today in the zip file.
Well, that was all for today. Bye bye.